Alright guys, this is an Alexa Generation 3. We're about to perform a sound test. This is a MSTEC SL620. We're going to use a technique to measure the maximum output. So we're going to set it on max. Okay, and as you can see, if my voice gets louder, this goes up and it hits that high bar. Alexa, set volume to 10. Alexa, count down from 5.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, so she hit 113.1. Let's put her inside of the chamber, the iSmartCover. As you can see, she's connecting right now. Okay, she's connected. Close her up. Alexa, set volume to 10. Alright, let's turn this on. We'll hit it to max. Alexa, count down from 10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Based on this test, she went to 115.9. So this device, at some of the tests that we have performed, amplifies the sound that the Alexa makes. So it makes it louder.